Okay, this is February 20th, 2025. Rafine, Virginia at the Petro. Used to be White's truck stop. It's snowing its butt off here at Rafine. I just did an 8-hour break. I'm headed to Freightliner to get my idle restriction taken off because I have an issue with my APU. So I'm going to show you the drive out of the truck stop and on to I-81 South. As you can see, it's snowing. And it's snowing pretty hard. Luckily, I wasn't slipping or sliding. I just took my time. This is 9:30 in the morning on February 20th, 2025. Petro, Rafine, Virginia. And last night when I parked, these drivers were all over the place. You think they would have plowed the roads, at least the main drive, but they haven't. They have rebuilt a lot of the store itself. They added on to it because this is part of the I-80 group. Here's a guy coming in the wrong direction because he's supposed to come in on the other over there by the fuel pumps. But I got here around midnight on the 20th, and I went ahead and got the trailer washed out. And of course, I had to wait for TMC. He got a truck and trailer wash, even though it was snowing and going off. They usually have a van that drives you, picks you up, and brings you to the building. But I guess with the snow, they made you walk. And like I said, when I parked about 1 o'clock this morning, they were parked all over the place. If they would have parked a lot better, you probably could have had another 150 trucks in here. But as you saw when I started, was a guy parked behind trucks the long way. I rode around for a little bit, made sure I had a legal parking spot. That and I wouldn't get hit. Straight ahead is Quaker Steak and Lube restaurant, which I heard is pretty good. I've never ate a Quaker Steak and Lube. When this was White's truck stop, it had a killer restaurant inside with cool knives and guns in cases. And when they sold White's, they took all that out. And inside the restaurant is gone. Now it's all fast food, except the Quaker Steak and Lube over there. Like I said, usually during the nice weather, they have a shuttle that rides around the lots, picks you up and takes you to the buildings and bring you back, which is pretty cool. I didn't see them today, maybe because it's snow. I don't know. But as you can see, I'm going about 9-10 miles an hour because safety's first. Safety important. And you never know when somebody just says, oh, I'm coming the hell out like this. Bar none. So I had to come to a stop. Just about. 2 mile an hour. It's okay, bar none. I had brakes in the snow. Does look like they did put some sand or something down in the travel lane. But like I said, I'm just taking it slow through here because I don't want to slip and slide. I'm empty also. I prefer having weight on me when I'm in the snow like this. My poor truck has probably got 1.5 inches of salt all over it. Wow. Nosebleed. I hit 5 miles an hour for a second. Woo! Now coming up to the road to go to the interstate. If you look to the business to my right, that is used to be Smiley's. I think they call it Valerio, but the same barbecue is there. I usually stop there and get barbecue. I haven't the last few times. I've been up and down 81. Like I said, this used to be White's Travel Plaza. Now it is Petro, part of the I-80 group. And like I said, right over there to the right is Smiley's Barbecue. They get truck parking. We got a little restaurant with a bar inside, which I don't do bars when I'm out here on the road. I'm waiting for traffic to clear to turn left. Here I go. Now I'm going to be going 81 south. So I go underneath the interstate. On the other side of the interstate is a Pilot, and you can see big old flakes coming down pretty good. Wide load. Here comes a tow truck pulling an XPO that he ran into something. His front end's all smashed in. Usually they break the sets apart. They don't pull truck and trailer like that unless it's a very short distance. And this guy said go ahead for me to go on the highway. I stopped. I was waiting on him. I waved. Now I'll get on the interstate on 81 southbound. When I got here earlier in the morning at midnight, 12, 13, 15, whatever, the roads was dry. It wasn't snowing. I think it started snowing about 2 hours before I started moving. Took an 8-hour break to get to Freightliner dealer in Roanoke. And here is I-81 South. I'm slowly gaining the speed. There's a truck behind me. He slowed down and let me, said come on over. Roads are very good shape, huh? Doing 34, 35 miles an hour. Snow is blowing off my hood and my roof. But luckily this bad road section was only for a few miles. It was not that long. I'm now doing 39 miles an hour. Like I said, I am empty. And I'll tell you one thing, I'm tired of seeing this white stuff. I've seen it enough this month. And if you notice, the roads are starting to get better shape. Luckily, I didn't see any trucks in the ditch. Still snow and stuff on the road. This is I-81 south of the White's truck stop, or Petro is at the 205 on I-81, Virginia. As you can see, it's coming down, but luckily this only lasted about 5 miles and it was done. Still doing about 40, 45 miles an hour because it's still snow-covered roads. I have no weight. I'm empty. Now up to 47. But thank you for watching. Let me know, do you like me doing this voiceover for the drive videos like this? And should I do more drive long videos like this? This is the second one I've done here lately. Let me know. Do you want to hear music? Do you want to hear me talk? Or you just want it quiet like I did last time? If you're all new, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like and leave me a comment. What do you prefer? No drive videos like this? Drive videos with me talking? Drive with music? Or drive videos with nothing? Let me know in the comments down below. And to everyone, if you feel unsafe, stay put. Thank you for watching.